Good day, ma'am. My name is Tekla Mark Anthony. This is my experiment. All you need on this experiment is water, black pepper, and dishwashing soap. Put your finger on soap, then why black pepper move away from dishwashing soap? Because black pepper is hydrophobic or doesn't dissolve or mix into water. Since water molecules are strongly attract to each other or have high surface tension, it keeps the paper afloat. Adding soap breaks down to the surface tension, and as the water molecules spread out away from the soap, they brings the paper with them.
What is the water bottle experiment? When you cover up the lid to the bottle, the water is pulling down, but that air up in the top of the bottle is becoming a vacuum. That means low pressure. The air pressure outside the bottle is higher, so it actually tries to push into the bottle through the bottom hole. In doing so, it keeps the water in. Pour water into the plate until you hit the water. 3. Light the candle with a lighter or match. 4. Turn the bottle upside down and place it over the candle. What happens next is that the water begins to enter the bottle, at the same time that the flame of the candle decreases, until it is totally extinguished.
Hello ma'am, ito ang aking experiment ma'am. Ang tawag dito ay candle explosion. Ang materials ay pusporo, candle at saka tansan at saka tubig. Unang gagawin natin, maghati tayo sa ilalim ng candle, tapos ilagay natin dito sa may ibaba sa may tansan, tapos pangalawa ay sisindihan natin itong kandila. Pagkatapos sindihan ng kandila ay iinitin lang natin ang ating candle. Hintayin natin matunaw hanggang sa sumiga. Tayin lang natin na umapoy itong nasa babaw, itaas. Ayan, kita na natin unti-unti nang natutunaw at umaapoy yung nasa loob. Ayan, ito na. Pag umaapoy, lagyan natin ng tubig. Pang, ayun, nag-explode siya dahil sa yung tubig at saka init nagsumasalubong, kaya nag-explode siya gaya yan. Para siyang volcanic eruption. Ay, yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Once the glass is standing on the plate, the burning candle uses up all the available oxygen in the glass, then goes out. As it does so, the air in the glass cools, and as it cools, the air pressure in the glass falls below atmospheric pressure. Water is drawn into the glass until the pressure is equalized.